Hello, my name is Lady Pedraza. I am going to vacation to Spain with my best friend. The vacation will be for the 15 days. The first city will be Madrid. We're going to stay in Madrid for the 3 days. We're going to stay in the hotel in downtown because we would like to be close the tourist place. We're going to visit famous place like the park, museum, and castle. We're going to stay to buy the ticket for the soccer games. We are going to the small city around Madrid, and for this we will rent a car because it's cheaper. We are going to eat the Museo del Jamón. This is a famous restaurant. We are going we are going to buy some souvenirs for our families and friends. When we will finish the trip in Madrid, we're going to fly to Barcelona City. We're going to visit the Sagrada Familia monument, and we going to walk through the city. We are going to the beach, and we will enjoy the sun and say we are going to eat pizza in a sport bar restaurant. Is good. We are going to fly the Malaga. We are going to buy the theater ticket, and the most famous place with the will talk a lot of food. We are going to visit the Picasso Museum. Is famous, and we are going to travel to Sevilla. We will enjoying of the free walking tour, and we going to the Sevilla Cathedral in the water canals of the city, where I'm going to take a boat ride. We are going to walk through the bars, shops, restaurant, and cafe, and Cristobal Colon. Wait, we're going to buy tickets for the flamenco show. We are going to Santa Cruz neighborhood, and we will eat in Bodega de las Columnas. It is a famous restaurant. And finally, we are going to Madrid, and we will take a flight for returns Colombia.